This is now coming in with regard to the Delhi Hajj Committee slamming the Waqf Bill protest. This is very important. Remember, there has been protests with regard to the to the Waqf Amendment Bill and the protest against it. Now, Hajj panels read the bill, then protest ultimatum. Day after Islamic bodies got together to protest in Delhi, the Hajj panel is saying Delhi, Waqf bill and the amendment coming with it will benefit everyone. The Delhi Hajj Committee has questioned why are you protesting? At least read the bill, the details, then protest.
जो लोग धरना प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, मैं उनसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि इनमें से कितने लोगों ने वास्तव में आपने पढ़ा है क्या इसको? वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल जो है पारदर्शिता और जवाबदेही के लिए है। इससे जो है और ट्रांसपेरेंसी और अकाउंटेबिलिटी बढ़ेगी। कुछ लोग हैं जिनका कब्जा है, वो बस अपने हिसाब से चीजों को चला रहे हैं, तो ऐसे तो काम नहीं चलेगा। तो इसीलिए जो है ये वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल, मैं फिर कहूंगी, पहले भी कह चुकी और दोहरा रही हूँ कि मुसलमान कौम की बेहतरी के लिए ये कदम उठाया जा रहा है सरकार द्वारा।
My colleague Piyush Mishra joining me for the latest on that. Piyush, that's a very interesting comment that's come in, that at least the protest should come after you've read the details. But tell us more about what the Hajj panel has said and what is the status with the protest, because Owaisi was also seen at Jantar Mantar.
Well, the protest continues, Pooja, and this entire cabal of Muslim leaders, they have decided to protest until the time, this bill is not taken back. They are saying that if this bill is tabled in Parliament and if it gets passed, then they will protest across the country. Yesterday, we saw a lot of Muslim leaders staging their protest, including Asadun Owaisi and various political opposition parties. They had also joined that protest, which also includes Samajwadi Party, Congress and various others. So the opposition is of the view that the government is trying to bulldoze this bill on the minority here in the country. On the other side, the government representatives have made it very clear that this bill is going to give a lot of benefits to poor Muslim women, to poor strata of Muslim society. It is going to give back them their rights, and there is a lot of accountability and transparency also in this entire bill. We also spoke to Jagdambika Pal, who is the chairperson of JPC on Waqf bill. He also made it very clear that all the protesters should read what is there in the Waqf bill, and then only they should go on protest. In fact, he also highlighted that the JPC had held various meetings, multiple deliberations have taken place, and after that itself the report has been submitted. Now we'll have to wait and watch how the politics is going to escalate on this entire matter.
So if there is a group saying at least let's read, and if it is about holding accountable, holding answerable, should we look at that too? Thank you very much, Piyush. We'll be tracking about the protests too.